What if I told you that a tiny grain of wheat travels through a maze of roaring machines, rollers, sifters, and ovens, all in a breathtaking race to become the bread that feeds billions every single day? Welcome to the incredible journey from wheat to bread. Step inside a modern flour mill and bakery, and you'll discover an industrial symphony where machines work non-stop to transform raw wheat into one of humanity's most essential foods. It all begins in the mill, where truckloads of golden wheat are cleaned by vibrating sieves and air separators, removing dust, stones, and unwanted particles. Next, the wheat enters giant tempering tanks where it's gently moistened, making the outer husk easier to remove. From there, massive steel rollers crush the kernels, separating the endosperm, the soft, starchy part, from the bran and germ. This crushed wheat is then sent through a series of sifters and purifiers, where fine flour is extracted, classified, and blended to perfection. The journey doesn't stop there. The flour is transported to automated bakeries, where industrial mixers blend it with yeast, water, and other ingredients into huge batches of dough. Robotic arms and conveyor systems divide, shape, and proof the dough, ensuring uniformity at lightning speeds. Then comes the baking. Giant tunnel ovens fire loaves with precision temperatures, achieving that golden crust and fluffy interior we crave. Once baked, cooling conveyors, slicing machines, and packaging robots swiftly prepare the bread for delivery. From a single grain to a perfect loaf, this entire process happens in a matter of hours, feeding cities, nations, and the world. Behind every slice of bread is a network of brilliant machines, tireless precision, and a tradition thousands of years old, now supercharged by modern technology. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.